Na 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 na. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent, back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Bryson Tiller Outta Time featuring Drake. It's a very, very simple song. We're using basic chords, so yeah, no bar chords, yeah. Just make sure your capo is on fret number 1, and we're playing the following chords. This is A minor, and then we go to D, E minor, and then G. And then you just slide G from fret 2 and 3 to fret 3 and 4. So that's, and then we come back to A minor, right? A minor, E minor, and then G, slide, A minor, and that's the whole song, guys. We're strumming down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, slide. And that's the whole song. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, check out my chord video. It is a detailed illustration of the chords that I used in this video. And just learn them and come back to this video for your progressions. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.